The CTB for Nikola right now is hovering around the 200%. Look with me closely what's going on with Nikola. The price went down around the 180 and we have the $1 reversal bottom here. And we already discussed it here on our Discord when we did this chart analysis update around the 27th of June on Tuesday after our live streaming. See with me, we said the support is the $1, breakout around the $1.15, profit taken around the $1.30. We already hit the first profit taken, now going toward the second, and maybe we're gonna have a huge squeeze. And we're still holding Nikola trade with average price around the $1.26. Before cost to borrow, it was 125%, as we said. Now is getting higher. So let's discuss Nikola price action for the next week, because this is not over. And of course, we got great news for Nikola on Friday, which is regain compliance with the Nasdaq. And this is really important for Nikola stock to actually stay on the Nasdaq and be over the $1. And we have this kind of reversal just bounce, and we don't even have a consolidation zone around the $1. So let's get right to it and discuss where the price will go on Monday, because the market closed early around 1 p.m. in America. So we have to discuss the game plan, the quick game plan before the market close on the 4th of July. So let's get right to it and see where the price will go. Look with me. If you watch our live streaming, we were watching Nikola and seeing level 2 here, where we see the short and the buyers, where they actually heavily positioned and where they adding some position. So we saw a huge selling pressure started around the 143 until the 150. We have a huge short, still shorting here. And the price gave up. Didn't break in power hour, because we did power hour live streaming, especially here on our Discord, and we were watching Nikola. Okay, the price didn't break, and we went down, and we saw almost 150 opened here around the $1.43, 150,000 shares of short for Nikola, and still adding, they're still adding and still adding. And some of you send me this screenshot about the short for Nikola, and we see a huge short here around the $1.43. Almost 120k of short compared to 129 around the $1.42. You see, we have a huge fight for price action for Nikola between a buyer and seller. However, the prices gave up and went down. But the most important thing for Monday, after this news and after the cost to borrow is getting higher, we need to have a reversal or a gap. What I mean, if we have a gap or the price open in the pre-market over the $1.44, this will be the first ignition for the fire for the rocket to have a huge launch on Monday for price action for Nikola. This will give us first signal, having the price open over the $1.44. And the other signal would be even better, is having the price over the $1.56, which is our profit taken and resistant, the first resistant, of course. But if we have a pre-market open here, even better. It means we're gonna have a squeeze almost 90%. The support that we should hold if we don't have this gap up, we need to hold over the $1.34, because this is our ascending channel and the price is still bouncing from this channel. And you see in the after hours we have a bit of selling pressure, and we close almost 1.34% down. This is not a problem, because the price is still over our support that we discussed in our live streaming on Friday. We said the $1.34 should be the support. You see, we have a breakout on the market open, price went down, we held, then pump once again, double top here, then we gave up on after hours. However, we're still holding over this technical area. That's why I said in pre-market we need to make the short cover early and make them panic in order to have faster squeeze on Monday, because Monday, as we said, the market will close early around 1 p.m. in America, and it will be easier for us to have a gap and continuation in the pre-market, gapping in the pre-market, and then squeezing over the $1.78, which is the most important resistance and the second profit taken. We might have the $2, guys. We might have the $2 for Nikola on Monday if we have the gap actually around the $1.56, then actually breaking the $1.78, then going toward the $2. Because when the market when the market open, if we still below the $1.78, this will act as a resistance. What I mean by resistant is we're gonna have a test. If we don't break it, we're gonna have a double top and the price will go down once again. So watch out for the $1.78, but first watch out for the $1.43, because this is where the short added almost 119K worth of short here before the market closed. So this is the first signal. After that will be easier actually to squeeze and going higher and higher, and even maybe the $2, because if we want around the $2, will give us almost 50%. And we already did this actually, this kind of jump before around the 15th of June when we did almost 56%, give or take, then the price went down. So Nikola is pretty volatile, so we might have the 50% jump if we have the condition or the holding over the support, the $1.34. This will give us a faster squeeze and pump for Monday. Of course, we're gonna cover Nikola and mini stocks in our pre-market update on our Discord and our Patreon, because we always do pre-market alert here to discuss mini stocks and watch lists, of course, because we do always watch lists for stocks that have unicorn potential, and we're gonna discuss where we enter, where we exit, because if the price gap up or gap down, we have to discuss the support. And of course, the live streaming on Monday should be, as usual, around 3 p.m. CET. One thing for Nikola, we have to discuss this support, because if we broke this level, we might have the short open until the $1.15. So watch out. This is really critical area to have a reversal from. That's why it's called support. We don't want to have the market open below the $1.34. As we said, we're going to do update for Nikola and mini stocks in pre-market and our live streaming tomorrow on our channel on YouTube. Thank you for watching and see you in the next update.